I have a 65-watt charger, and this is the cable that came with the YaberAuto. When I first got this in the mail, day before yesterday, I immediately plugged it in to start charging it. Now this is another adapter that I use all the time. Never had a problem with it, so I'll use this one first. So I need to use the other cable that comes with the YaberAuto, and that is for USB A to C. And I'll plug that in, plug it in, and you'll see what it does. Comes on, 0%. This icon starts blinking for 10 seconds, and then the zero, the N will disappear, and that will start flashing. And I have actually let it run just like this for like 5 hours. And when I check the voltage at the output, it's sets at 12.02 and it doesn't change after 5 hours of letting it run like this right here. So what I started trying to do was unplugging it, plugging it back in. So at least while it was showing in, I was assuming that the battery is going to be taking some amperage while that icon is showing in. So then I just have to unplug it and then plug it back in and just keep doing that. As long as the in icon was showing, then it would be taking charge, and then I just keep unplug it, plug it back in, unplug it, plug it back in, unplug it, plug it back in. And I did that for like, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. And I checked the voltage at the output for the jumper cable, and it was still showing 12.02, which was just telling me that the voltage is so low in this pack that it's just going to take forever to try to get any kind of power into this. So now I'm going to use the 65-watt charger that I have for using the USB-C cable that comes with the YaberAuto. Plug that in. But now when I use this one, it shows the speed icon. You see there, it shows speed, so it's accepting the fast charge, but it's still only taking 80 milliamp for 10 seconds. But if I unplug, plug it back in, same thing with the other as with the other charger. The end shows for about 10 seconds and then goes away and the zero starts flashing. I can hit the power button. In your email response, it said five times pressing. Does nothing. Holding down the power button. I've held it for 30, 45 seconds. Nothing happens. It does nothing. I've pressed and held all the buttons. Nothing. Yeah, I've tried all kinds of different things. All right, so let me bring my multimeter out here. Now, when I first tested this, it was at 12.02 volts on the output. And now it is at 12.08. And that is because I used my power supply and I connected a USB-C cable to the port, and I ran a program with my power supply that supplies 12 volts. I ran my power supply through a USB cable to supply 12 volts and 1.5 amps per your email. It would only accept about 86 milliamps with 12 volts for as long as the N is showing, and then the N goes away. But I set the power supply to just keep repeating that over and over and over again. And it ran for 3.5 hours, because that's as long as I could get the power supply to do it for. And then I checked the voltage again on the output, and it was at 12.08 from 12.02 when I started. So that's telling me that this is actually working, providing 86 milliamps at a time for 10 seconds, and just keeps repeating the process. So I don't have to keep plugging and unplugging, plugging, unplugging, plugging, plugging, unplugging, plugging, unplugging the cable. I can just run the program and just let it keep cycling. So I don't know, this might take 2 or 3 days to actually get the voltage up to enough to where it will actually take a charge from the charger. I don't know, but you're asking for a video showing how it's working, and this is that video. And the steps that I have taken, I do a lot of repair of electronics. So if I could get inside of this, I know I could probably find out what's wrong and maybe be able to actually charge up the individual cells on this pack inside here, but I do not see any way of getting this apart. There's no screws in it. Yeah, I do not see any screws anywhere in this, and I don't want to damage this by breaking it. So if you can tell me how to get this apart, you know, maybe I can fix this. I could create a video to show other people how to fix theirs. Or if there's another way that we can go, if there's another connection to this battery somehow. Now, I did some research and I found that the NOCO, a lot of people are having the same issue with the NOCO, and they can go through the ground side of their USB port and the positive side of the output, which sends juice directly to the batteries, bypassing the board, and are able to get their battery up to where they can start charging it again. But I've tried so many different combinations with this, and it just will not work. So is there a way of getting juice to that battery continuously instead of having to use a power supply to run a program to keep running it for 10 seconds, stopping it, running it for 10 seconds, stopping, starting, stopping, starting, starting, because a lot of people don't have that ability. So there's got to be a better way to wake these up to get the charge in the battery. Okay, so hopefully this will help you understand what may be going on with this. In the email, it suggested that I had somehow activated a continuous output. Well, I've never even used this yet because I can't even power it on. So I don't even know. I didn't even know until your email how to actually do that. But I have pressed this 5 times, and it does nothing. So if the continuous mode was activated, it was activated before I received this device in the mail. And that's why the battery went dead, was drained. According to your email, you'd have to physically push this 5 times, and there's no way that's going to happen inside of this hard pack. So this was done somewhere else. Maybe they tested it at YaberAuto and tested that function, but forgot to deactivate it before they packaged it up. I don't know. I just wanted to let you see this, get your response, so that way I can tell my viewers what you think might be going on here. And if there is a workaround to fix this so people can have to stop sending their units back to you. Is there a way for us to be able to wake this up ourselves? Okay, well, thank you, and that's it.